Welcome to our grammar lesson. I am Raul Santa Cruz. I'm part of FE at Intecap. Today I will explain the use and form of past perfect progressive. Let's start. Past perfect progressive tense. In English, we use it to describe an action that had already started in the past when another action occurred. For the following example, we can see that Jason had been sleeping for only 3 hours when a noise suddenly woke him up. Give us the idea about how long does an action takes place. For example, in the sentence, I had been writing for an hour. When he called me, I described the time for an hour. That's the length or duration of this activity. It expresses the cause of something in the past. For example, two actions that will describe cause and effect. In the example, Jason was tired because he had been jogging. That will describe cause and effect. In the example, Jason was tired because he had been jogging. In affirmative sentences, we are going to follow the structure: subject, had been, verb plus the ing, and a complement. For example, I had been swimming when I fell. For negative sentences, we are going to use the structure: subject, had not been, verb ing, and a complement as follows. We have not been paying attention when the teacher explained the topic. At the moment we use yes/no questions, we are going to use the following structure: have plus the subject plus been plus the verb ing and a complement. For the following example, we should say, had it been raining because the ground is wet? For this case, we're going to use short answers: yes it had or no it hadn't. For WH questions, we follow this structure: WH question plus had plus been plus the verb ing form plus the complement. Example: where had you been swimming when you broke your leg? Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like this video and follow us on social media. Bye bye.